Hello YouTube and welcome to another unboxing review of the Sony XDR-V20D, a portable digital radio for DAB and FM. So here we go, we have the box, the Sony XDR-V20D. This is the product. The bottom states a few of the specifications it can do, DAB, DAB+. It has a stereo speaker. The side of the box shows you the EAN and UPC codes, and the opposite side is pretty much empty. Let's go ahead and open up the box. The first thing inside the box is going to be an operating manual. Secondly, in the box we have the power supply. Okay, next up we have the radio itself that we're going to put aside, and some more manuals in German, French, Italian, Swedish, Dutch, general warranty information and safety information. So this is the last foam part. The box is now empty. So let's go ahead and unpack the radio itself. It definitely has a very vibrant color. Keep in mind this radio is also available in different colors. The front says it's a stereo speaker system for DAB with RDS and FM. It seems like you can rotate the antenna 360 degrees in all directions. And it is of course extendable. Now next up, let's put the antenna back in and click it into its place. The rear also features a power input, auxiliary input and a headphone output. The material seems to be plastic. Nothing too premium, but not cheap either. And the top sports all different kinds of buttons. So we have the quick selects 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have the plus or minus keys, we have the function keys, we have a rotary dial, and the power button. So let's go ahead and turn on this radio. A long push did not seem to turn it on, but a short push did. First up is a DAB auto tune scanning for all the available channels. We're going to do a quick time lapse. And it is done. So it popped up with one channel, the 106.4 top FM. Volume buttons up and down. We have the auto tune button, which selects DAB, which is what we're currently on. And we have the input selector for DAB, FM and audio in. Now switching to FM, it's going to automatically start the FM auto tune. Also a quick time lapse to reduce the time. Now you can also get the FM station names automatically or do this later. We're going to go ahead and do this now. Another quick time lapse to skip the time. And we're done again. Now we're on FM, the channel 89.50 by on 2. By rotating the dial, you can select different channels. Pushing enter to select the new channel.
Label Serenade aus den 3 Christmas Pictures von Philip Lane.
The top right of the display tells you the time and the current battery status. Right now we're charging.
Rudi bringt's. Das sind ja die musikalischen Sack- und Packgeschichten, die den ganzen Advent über täglich in der Mittagsmusik und hier in der Programm laufen.
So there's a settings button with all the different functions. Let's go ahead and start at the top with the wake up timer. The wake up timer has a timer setting to set the actual time to, which channel you want to use for the wake up station, either last station, DAB or FM preset. We have the volume setting for the wake up timer, and pushing back we get out of it again. Sound, we can change the sound treble and bass. We're going to select the +4 for treble and the +2 for bass. Next, FM tune mode. Edit FM station lists. We can change the time settings to 24 hours or 12 hours. and we can manually set the time or use an auto time sync through DAB, which is a very nice feature. We can turn off or on the beep, confirming all your actions. Default is off. You can do a auto power off after 15 minutes or disable it. You can initialize by resetting all of the channel memories and settings. FM auto tune, we're going to back out of it again. Wake up timer, you can turn on or disable the wake up timer. In sleep timer, you have a selection between 90, 60, 30 and 15 minutes or off. The front right button is a display brightness button, which has 4 different values, and the first one is the brightest with the lights on. Let's go back to DAB. And I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the audio quality by listening to some classic music. Let's go ahead and test also the storing option. You can store a channel by long pressing the shortcut button that you'd like to use. In this case, we're going to use number 1, push and hold, until it confirms stored to preset 1. Switching between presets, just simple tap of the button. 2 didn't have one, and 1 we reloaded the one we already had. Now let's turn up the volume and listen for yourself. The sound quality is pretty nice. Let's go and switch to a different channel. Let's listen to digital classics. Again, very rich sound. And let's pick another channel for some different style of music.
So I'm taking my time on my ride.
And we can go ahead and turn off the device by pushing the power off button. I'm giving this radio a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. With the positives being an integrated battery for portability, DAB+, DAB and FM compatibility, an automatic time sync from DAB signal, a rich feature set for timers, and a good stereo sound quality. The negatives, in my opinion, are the inability to change the user interface language, and the case material lacks a bit of the premium feel you expect from some other manufacturers. A quick 360-degree view of the radio. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave your comment below and I'll be happy to reply to them.